As long as we can remember, birds inspired us to reach for the skies. And that's how our history of flying started. Well, more like the history of falling. We tried being birds, but somehow we kept failing and, falling. In 1493, Leonardo da Vinci started getting the first ideas of how we could fly. And in 1804, we designed a functional flying machine. George Cayley's design was inspired by a kite. Another century later, the Wright brothers flew 59 seconds straight with their propeller aircraft for the very first time. Now, flying really took flight. In 1919, the first all-metal airplane was built, but it could only bring 4 passengers. The Junkers due in 1931 already carried more. With its 3 engines, it could transport 17 people. Then followed first choppers, the first jet engines. In 1952, the passenger jet, the Comet, started flying, which looks a lot like the planes today. 15 years later, the supersonic Concorde flew 100 people from Paris to New York in 3 hours. Today, the Airbus A380, the biggest passenger jet, can carry up to 800 people. I'd say we've reached the skies and beat those birds big time.